Hi everybody and welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and we're going to be continuing with the Planet Finance training videos. So as you know, I had a lot of questions about the Planet Finance when I called it out as a hidden gem, which I think could explode over the next coming weeks and months. So I thought I'd do a series of quick videos for you, just answering one question at a time. So I'll put links down below to the other training videos for you as well. So the next obvious question is, what is Aqua? So Aqua basically is the main governance token for the Planet Finance project, and it's going to be the driving force of the project as well. Now, there was only 100,000 distributed when it first came out. There's going to be a total supply of 100,000, but there's also going to be a burning every day for the token. So when the token first came out, you can see here that there was 100,000 total supply for the Aqua tokens, and there's a circulating supply to start with back in May when it was first produced, and then there's going to be distribution of 500 Aqua tokens per day for 200 days. Now that's due to end round about the 23rd of November of 2021. And once that happens, once the full 100,000 had been distributed, there's going to be burning of the tokens. There's actually burning of the tokens just now. If we go to the blue planet just now, and we can see how many Aqua has been burned. If we just refresh that, 219.05 Aqua tokens have been burned so far out of the full 100,000. So the burns happen with a percentage of the blue planet's fees generated, and the red planet's fees, and Uranus's fees, and all the fees from the different planets are generated. Decentralized exchange fee as well, the AMM that they've got as well, and sales and author fees from the NFTs as well. So there will be a percentage of the Aqua token being burnt. So right now, as it stands of October the 6th, 2021, Aqua token is an inflationary token because there's 500 being produced per day. There are burns happening every single day, but it is actually less than 500 per day. It's around about 6 per day just now. So it is an inflationary token, but come November the 23rd, it will become a deflationary token. That means they're not going to produce any more. And so Ethereum is going to become, hopefully, a deflationary token with ETH 2.0 coming out, but they're still going to be able to emit or distribute Ethereum as well. The hope is that there's going to be more burned than there is that are distributed. So it's totally different with Planet Finance's Aqua. They're just going to stop distribution altogether, and they're going to start burning or keep on burning them as well. So it's going to become a deflationary token, and therefore it's going to become more scarce. Therefore, in theory, the price of the Aqua token should go up. So now what happens after the distribution is finished? In the middle of November, once the distribution of the Aqua tokens finished, what happens after that? So the team have actually answered that themselves. So it says, some have asked, what are some use cases of Aqua after all 100k is distributed? So number one, capture protocol value as a percentage of the fees, will buy and burn it. Earn Gamma by staking it. And Gamma is a new token we spoke about the other day in the other video, which is coming out for the green planet. It's going to be 100 million tokens distributed, or total of 100 million tokens. So you'll be able to earn Gamma if you hold Aqua as well, which is going to be extremely valuable. You can earn Aqua as borrowers, borrow it on the green planet, used on the pink planet's NFTs, and obviously it's going to be used as a governance token, and it's going to become a DAO, so a governance over the planets as well. And they say keep in mind, this is just to name a few of the obvious and immediate use cases for Aqua, and it's just the beginning. So holding Aqua, even after it's finished distributing, I think is going to be extremely valuable. And I think we could see a high price for the Aqua token just now. And at the moment, it stands at $912. We'll just refresh this just now. $910 just now for the Aqua token. And we've got a market capitalization of 70 million. If this, I can easily see this getting to $1 billion, but that's a 10x in price. So we could see a $10,000 Aqua token price. But that's neither here nor there. We're talking about what the Aqua token does. So it's going to have a lot of use cases as well, and it's going to be the main governance token for the actual Planet Finance as well. That's what Aqua, the token, is all about. But there's one other important aspect to remember about Planet Finance as well, and the Aqua token, and that is there was no team tokens given at the beginning. There's no pre-sales, no favourites. So your monetary energy placed in vaults and pools on Planet Finance enables you to earn Aqua. Early adoption has its benefits. You're still at the early phase just now. If you decide to go for this, you're still at the early phase. So the team didn't have any tokens. I think that's really important to remember as well, and I think that shows the integrity of the team and their ethos behind what Planet Finance is all about. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.